Okay, we just got to graph this equation. Seemed like some of you have questions about that right now, so we're going to go over it. And you need to remember that this equation is already in the form of slope-intercept form for a line. So this means we're looking at y equals mx plus b. Where m was the slope, or the steepness of the line, and b is our y-intercept. Okay, so this equation already comes equipped in slope-intercept form, which means that we see the slope-intercept, or the y-intercept here, as plus 3, which means it's going to go through the y-axis at 0, 3. And if that was a minus sign, it'd just make this a negative 3, that's all. So I'm going to put the point there at 0, 3. So starting at the origin, the y-axis is this vertical axis, 0, 1, 2, 3. So I can put a point there at 0, 3. Then I use the slope, which is showing as 3/5. Okay, so we see this as a fraction, and just as a review, hopefully you remember that the top number, the numerator, is the rise, the denominator, or the bottom number here, is the run. So since both of these are positive, the rise, which is up or down, 3, is positive 3, so it's going to be up 3. And then the run being positive 5 means we're going to go to the right 5. But it's from that ordered pair we've already put on the graph, 0, 3. So from there I go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and then to the right 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is enough usually on the graphs that we've been using for it to create the line for us. And since I'm doing it by hand, I'm going to make the next point as well. So up 3 to the right 5. So that would be the next point. And in fact, I can even go to the left by going left 5 and then down 3. Left 5, down 3. Okay, so I see I've connected, or I have all 5 points that I can fit on this graph. All I got to do now is make the line. So a little technology here. And then these patterns would continue forever. So I'm going to show the arrows at the end of both lines. So this is what we got. And that would be the line that represents the equation that we started with. Remember too that we saw some problems where they gave us 2 equations. And if they do, that's fine. We just have to graph both equations. And then the solution is the point where the 2 lines meet. That's it. Of course, you'll need to write those as ordered pairs, which include the parentheses on the assignment too.